my Hot Wheels toy.
Yes. Look at all these collections of Hot Wheels.
But before I open them, I have to do a challenge.
So Lance is going to undergo some challenges before he can open Hot Wheel toys.
Yeah.
Okay, first challenge. He should be able to count 1 to 20.
Okay.
Okay, so here are 20 Hot Wheel toys. So he's going to count them all. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, get your stick. Okay, Lance, your challenge starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yay! Good job! You
Challenge
passed.
completed.
Yes, challenge completed. Next challenge is you are going to write 1 to 20 on the board. Okay? Your challenge starts now.
1,
1.
2,
Yay! Good job.
3,
Number 3. Good job.
4,
Wow.
5,
Excelente. Number 5.
6,
Good job, Lance. What number is that?
7, 8,
Wow. 9. Wow, this is giant number 10. Wow, giant number 10. Good job. Yay! Perfect. Another giant number.
12,
Wow, next.
13,
Wow, great.
14,
Perfect.
15,
Wow, nice, Lance.
16,
Wow, good job. Almost done. Next number. Wow, that's better. That's looking good. Next.
almost
Almost
done.
done, Lance. Hey, good job, Lance.
And
Next number.
19,
Wow, another giant number. And the last one.
yeah,
Dun, 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 dun.
20,
Yay! That's the last number in the challenge. 20.
Yay!
Good job. Congratulations. And now you can open your toys.
yeah.
Wow.
That's me.
The color.
It's red,
Red and
yellow,
yellow. Wow, look at that. So cool. It's so cool, eh?
Yes.
Look at this pattern on the back. And the sparkly wheels. Nice.
It's there though. It's there though.
There though. Wow, look at this guy.
Wow! It looks so cool, guys.
Look at this.
It's Bahas. It's Bahab. It's a Bahas.
The hard blazers.
Cool.
Wow.
It's blue and yellow on top.
Wow. The body is blue. And the top is yellow. And the wheels also have yellow color.
And looks like there's a kind of spider on there. It's race day.
Next is race day.
Wow!
Wow.
It looks cool.
What's the color?
Gold. It's truck stars.
Stars is next.
It looks cool.
Look at this color.
It's green and orange on top.
On the box here where you put them. Cool. Spicy.
Yeah. Next car, Rod Squad.
Next is Rod Squad. Wow. It's another green one.
Yeah.
Let's see. Whoa, look at this.
It's sparkly.
Whoa.
It's factory fresh.
Next.
Oh.
It's so cool. Wow, nice color.
It's art car.
Art cars coming up.
Oh.
Wow. See steam?
Yes.
Steam. Look at the pattern.
And look at that cool engine.
Radical racers coming up.
It comes with a recrushable car.
Oh, crushable car.
Next is One Bag Gold.
Okay, next is Hold You All. Looking so good. And it comes with a crushable car.
Boom, boom,
Let's get crushing.
boom, boom. Next is Bone Shaker.
Shaker, let's see. Oh, that's so quick. Look at this, it's nice looking too.
Yeah. Wow. It has so many booths.
rubber just like the others.
Yes.
It's metal.
Yeah.
This is Megarex. Is this Megarex?
Yes. And he looks like a shark. Next is Roger Dodger. And this is not any crystal car. It's a normal car.
It's a normal car. Yay! It's a bonus.
Yeah.
Wow, look at these cars. Orange and blue.
Yeah. They both have engine.
Yes, look at this. Monster car and a normal car, regular car.
Next is Tiger car. And we have a bigger full of it.
Yes, this one is smaller. Tiger shark.
Yeah.
Let's get crashing. Oh.
It's twin wheel.
Next to open is twin wheel.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this.
It's Invader.
Next is Invader. Let's open it. Crushable car. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Invader is crushing it now.
This is the last one to open.
This is number 20.
And
Hot Wheels. And it is Rhinomite.
Yeah.
Let's open it.
Whoa!
Wow, look at that. And this is there's another crushable car. Let's get crushing.
This is a rubber one.
It's a rubber one. Ah. Okay, here they are.
Hi guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you like opening my Hot Wheels with me.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed the opening with Lance.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned on his next video because
He's going to open his
gift, the Super Ultimate Garage. This thing here, guys. Stay tuned.
Bye. Stay safe, everyone.
Take care. Bye.
Take care.